Hello everyone. Today I want to show you an easy way to add numbers in Excel. So as you can see, I already prepared numbers for you over here. These are the expenses in dollars for May, June, and July. And here on the left-hand side, you can see the categories for those expenses. For example, if you want to add up the expenses for groceries for all 3 months, you can put an equal sign over here under total. Then you can click on the grocery expenses for month of May, and then you can add a plus sign in front of B2, and then you can click on the grocery expenses for month of June. Then you can add another plus sign, and then you can click on the expenses for month of July, and then you can hit enter easily. And you can do the same thing for the other categories. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys.